Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to edit Instagram profile on PC or computer. If you're using any PC or any laptop and then you want to change your or edit your Instagram profile, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser and in your browser just go for search and search for Instagram. And once you have searched, your Instagram will be open that you might see at this type Instagram page. Now here just click on the profile option over here to open your Instagram profile. And here you might see the option of edit profile over your profile. So you just have to click on edit profile, and here you might be able to edit your Instagram profile. So you can easily add a website over here, or you can see that editing your links is only available on mobile. So you can edit or add a link using your mobile, but you can easily add your bio. You can change your gender from here, and you can change your profile photo or your username. If you want to change your username or your account name, just click on account center, and here just wait for the loading, then click on your profile, and here just click on name if you want to change your name or username, or if you want to create an AI avatar, or you can also change your profile photo from here. So let's say I'm gonna enter my name here, so just enter your name. As you can see that you can only change your name twice within 14 days. So you can easily change your name two times in 14 days. So if you're trying to change multiple times your name, so you're unable to do this, you just have to click on done. And once you have done, and your profile name will be successfully changed. So in this way, you can easily edit your Instagram profile on your PC or on your laptop. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.